The good day had decided overnight. Before I woke, the morning light confirmed its spring and warmth in the clear direction of the positive, the here and now of the already good. The day had made its mind up while I lay inside the sleep and woke me into a yes. The good day decided, that's the morning, the spring and the light and the dawning of the first hour with the already good. The day decided, and I understood that the only thing required of me was the yes, the good day and the free and golden morning already mine. The vibraphone rang warm and certain bright, and I moved through the kitchen in the light of the already decided. The good day running before I understood it was running. The morning already warm and full and steady before I'd done a thing to earn it. Some days you build the good from scratch. Some days the good day beats you to the catch and arrives before the effort. This was that, the already decided morning at the door before I knocked. The good day came to me. I only had to say yes to everything it brought along. The good day decided, that's the morning, the spring and the light and the adorning of the first hour with the already good. The day decided, and I understood that the only thing required of me was the yes, the good day and the free and golden morning already mine. Before the phone, before the morning scroll, before the list had taken any toll, she chose the happy, said it first. Before the day could quench its thirst, for her attention, happy first. Then everything else, the morning burst of the chosen, positive before the ask. She chose the happy,